We're dealing with money now. But at the centre of it, what I'd like is for you to be there so that Mum and Dad can see really what matters in the course of this entire case, which is you and your brother. It's helpful to see, especially when they produce something so extraordinary and wonderful as you. Anna, Simon, you did an extraordinary thing, a very, very ill-advised thing between the two of you, which was to come to a divorce settlement without getting it properly administered by the court and without putting it, in my judgment, in a way which anybody reasonably could understand. I've had to rely on little bits of paper and the evidence of this court in order to come to a conclusion as to what could be enforced. Because of your honesty, Simon, I'm satisfied by the narrowest margin that I can enforce the total debt of £50,000. The good news is twofold. Firstly, you have, and you need to hear this, always paid as promised in respect of your children. I give you enormous credit for that. Secondly, there was no time frame on the agreement to pay the £50,000. That's unfortunate because it left the two of you connected in a toxic way for 15 years. And this is a clear example of why this is such a bad idea. When you break up, you need a clean break, so you never have to speak to each other again, other than over the most important things in your life, this case, your son and your extraordinary daughter. Nevertheless, sir, as a matter of fact, and on the basis of the material you have provided and I have been supplied by Anna, I am satisfied that there is an outstanding debt which can be enforced with the weight of this court's judgment of £3,670, and I have no choice but to give you that award of £3,670. That, madam, is the money dealt with. The most important thing, however, starts and ends over there and with your son who's not here. That wonderful thing that you've created, a smart person whose words I shall use in other cases. Leave behind the toxicities and just get on with each other, correct? Agree with me? Now, Sian, Dad wants a hug. Are you prepared to do that?
It's all right. Come better. No, I always love you.
That's Tony.
Thank you. Go and stand with Mum for now. Dawn, thank you for being here to support Anna.
Welcome, Judge.
I'm grateful. You haven't sought in any way to lie to me, and sometimes people do that when they come to support someone. You've been a real support. Thank you. Arlette, merci beaucoup. Thank you very much indeed. The award of this court is £3,670. Go your separate ways, love your own partners and love your children. That's the award of this court.
Thank you.
Anna won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim.
Can I take this?
Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
If you'd have paid it years ago, there wouldn't have been a problem.
How could I pay it with no money?
Well, when you got the
took all
loan, when you
money.
cashed in the endowment.
Well, I did pay you then.
No, you didn't. You paid it off the mortgage.
You're a liar. You lied and cheated and...
No, I didn't cheat.
Yes, you did. You didn't cheat. You slept with at least 2 other people,
No, I
and
did
your
not.
mother said that you slept with people
And
all
what does my
through.
mother know? I did not have an affair a second time. I did the first time, which he forgave me for, and we spent another 3 years together, so... And as for my mother, well, she just disgusts me anyway.
Happy, freedom. She is gone forever.
Because I said it was... I can't mention his name, and you said, no, it wasn't him. That's
Yeah, I
what
was
you told
winding
me.
you up.
Oh, it's a what? Now you're admitting it, but it's a
No,
wind-up.
no.
Just shows what you like, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't show what I'm like.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.